Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from our Homestead Skills. Well, today I'm just going to show you a little video of a trip we took yesterday. We decided that we'd had enough of working on the house and needed a break, so we went out to a thrift store and we went out to an antique mall, and we ended up looking at some lovely things. We are obviously looking at the kind of furniture and items that we would like to purchase for our home here in Alabama once it is properly renovated. Of course, we're not really buying anything right now because the house is very much in disarray. There's lots of tools and construction equipment lying around all over the place. And the only room we actually have finished off so far is the bathroom, one of the bathrooms. And we've torn apart the kitchen, we've torn apart the second bathroom, and we have yet to pull out the shower out of that one. But it's getting there. And so today Mark is back into the bedroom. He's been repairing and sanding and repairing and sanding, and he's never satisfied. He's never happy, but that's okay too. It just takes him longer because he wants to do a nice job. And so he's putting on another coat of base paint today, and hopefully tomorrow he'll be able to put on a finished coat of paint on the wall itself. We are going to paint the trim white with, probably a semi-gloss or something on the trim. And the floors are going to have to wait till next year. So what we will do with the floors, it is concrete, and what we're going to do right now is probably just prep it for some sort of hardwood next year, probably engineered hardwood. So he wants to clean it, etch it, and put on a coat of paint to try to seal the moisture out, see how that works. And then hopefully we can move some furniture in there. Unfortunately, I did buy some furniture from IKEA last year. It's still in boxes, a bedroom frame and mattress. So I'm waiting to actually set that up. That would be nice if we can actually get that done before we leave this year, amongst a few other things. So anyway, today I just wanted to show you some of the lovely things that we found at the antique shop. And we did purchase a couple of lamps. We're trying to stay away from actually purchasing too much of anything. Just looking around to see what is available. And antiques would suit this little, house. It's more of a little cabin. So we're looking to see what we like, and not really buying anything right now, just keeping our eyes open. But some lamps don't take up a lot of space, and we did buy beautiful stained glass hanging lamp for the dining area, and we love that. I was actually surprised that Mark liked stained glass, but he felt that it suits the house, so he was quite willing to buy it, and I love stained glass lamps. So obviously we didn't get the more expensive ones, but they're still lovely. Okay, that's it for today. I'm just going to run through some of these pictures for you, and hopefully you enjoy them as well. Have a great day, and stay safe, stay warm. Next week is going to be pretty cold, so we're working on that ourselves.